So last problem of week 6, fourth one. Two equal spheres of diameter 30 mm resting on ground, touching each other. So draw its projection. When first condition, the line joining their center is parallel to both the wall and the floor. Second condition, the line of the center is parallel to the floor and inclined at 30 degrees to the wall. So we'll move on to AutoCAD, and it is a sphere. So whether in top view or front view, the shape will be same. So units, units, now sphere of diameter 30. So sphere center point. So now here diameter 30. Next sphere diameter D 30. Now using move command, move, select the object, enter. Move is over. So both are joined. So first subdivision, this or line of the center is parallel to the floor, and so that first subdivision line joining the center is parallel to both the wall and the floor. That is over. Now conceptual. Isometric. Top view, wireframe or anything. Now view, first angle, okay, view base, model 6.4.1, first subdivision, enter. So now only 6.4.1 layout name, enter. Isometric. Next one, model. So next condition is The line of the center is parallel to the floor and inclined at 30 degrees to the wall. So up to here, the same scenario, we have to rotate this to 30 degrees. So rotate, rotate. So first and second, okay. Enter. Base point, rotation angle 30 degrees, over. So next, again, it is already first angle. So model space, select the model, okay. Enter. Now the layout is 6.4.2, new layout. So in this new layout, front view, top view, okay, front and top view. So isometric view, okay. Model space, I pressed enter. Side view, isometric. So all the four views. Thank you. These are the two subdivisions. Okay. And the fourth question, first subdivision and second subdivision.